Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through a recent trade-in of ours. It's a 2017 Intrepid 40 center console. Starting here off the transom, we have Yamaha V8 350s in white. Full beam transom seat that folds in very easily when you want to do some fishing. Most just like that. We have some rod holders here off the transom, pop-up cleats, access to your bilge. We have a nice table back here, storage compartments all throughout. Here is access to your live well. There's a starboard side door, making access getting on and off the boat very easy. Moving forward, also forgot to mention rocket launcher on top of the hardtop. Moving here to the helm, we have twin 16-inch displays, Garmin autopilot, valve thruster, fusion stereo. We have a radar on the boat, open array. Really nice isinglass enclosure. Some more of your switching and your trim tabs. Really comfortable seat, no footrest. Access to your batteries. There's switches, battery switches. Notice here along the gunnel, we have some rod storage. Also on this side. Very cool way to get down to your head compartment. Here we have a vacuum flush head and a sink with plenty of headroom. About 6 foot tall and still have a couple inches. Storage compartment here underneath the seat. You could use that as a cooler if you'd like. I want to show you this forward in-deck box. Absolutely massive. I can get down here and have a ton of room. Both of these will slide together. Show you how they open up for more room. Same thing here. As you could fit some extra fishing rods on both sides. Nice bow cushions. Additional storage locker. Access to your chain and rope. That concludes today's walkthrough. Give us a call at MarineMax Huntington, 631-956-4865. Thank you.